In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Blender project using the file menu. If you've got a Blender project saved on your computer and you want to pick up exactly where you left off, this is the most straightforward way to do it. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along easily. With Blender open on your screen, look to the very top left of the window. You'll see the main menu bar running across the top. Click on File to open the drop-down. This is Blender's central hub for managing projects, and it's where options like creating a new file, saving your work, and in our case, opening an existing project live. From that file menu, choose Open. The moment you click it, Blender's built-in file browser appears. This view is designed to help you navigate your folders and find exactly the file you need. Blender projects are saved with the .blend extension, which is Blender's native format. If you're not seeing your project right away, take a moment to navigate to the folder where you originally saved it. Use the directory list to move through your drives and folders, and keep an eye on the path shown so you're sure you're in the right place. Once you've found your .blend file, click it once to select it. Before you open it, it's a good habit to confirm the file name and location so you know you're loading the correct project, especially if you keep multiple versions or backups. Also remember that opening a new project will replace whatever is currently loaded in Blender, so if you've made changes to your current scene, it's wise to save those first to avoid losing work. When you're ready, look for the Open Blender File button. It typically sits in the upper right area of the file browser. Click that, and Blender will begin loading your project. Depending on the size and complexity of your scene, this may take a moment. You might see a brief progress indicator, and then your workspace will update with your models, materials, lights, and everything else just as you saved it. After the project opens, give the scene a quick check to make sure everything looks as expected. If textures or external assets were saved in different locations, make sure those files are accessible on your system. Keeping your project files organized in a single project folder can help avoid missing links later. And that's all there is to it. Click File, choose Open, browse to your .blend file, select it, and press Open Blender File. Simple, reliable, and the standard way to get back into your work.